In today's video, I will walk you through how to make a climate graph using Google Sheets. To start, select Google Sheets from the menu. If your climate data is ready, it should include monthly temperature and precipitation values in rows or columns. Select all your data by clicking and dragging to highlight everything you want included in the graph, carefully on screen. Make sure every month, temperature, and precipitation column is selected so nothing is missing before moving on. Next, go to Insert at the top menu and click Chart. In the Chart Editor, change the chart type to Combo Chart in the Editor panel. This lets temperature appear as a line and precipitation as columns on the same graph for comparison. Now customize your chart for clarity. Open Chart and Axis titles and give your graph a clear title using your location and data. As an example, Vancouver climate data. Then go to Series Settings. Set precipitation to the right vertical axis and keep temperature on the left axis. This keeps the values separated and easier to read. Next, go to Chart Style and enable Smooth Line for the temperature series to make trends easier to follow for better clarity. Now adjust the right vertical axis for precipitation. Set the minimum value to 0 and the maximum value to 300 so the scale fits your data properly. Return to Chart and Axis titles and label your axes. On the left vertical axis, type temperature degrees C. On the right vertical axis, type precipitation. That completes your climate graph in Google Sheets on your spreadsheet successfully. You now have a clear and organized chart that displays both temperature and precipitation over time on your sheet. If needed, you can pause or replay sections to follow along more easily while reviewing your work carefully. If you found this tutorial helpful, you can give it a thumbs up, leave a comment about your project, and subscribe for more tutorials if you'd like more similar tutorials in the future. Happy charting, and see you next time.